there guys, welcome to Sam's Tech. So in today's video I will be teaching you on how to recover deleted files that you accidentally deleted. So do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's get it started. So you can see that there is a file named important on the desktop. I'm just going to delete it and it's going to turn out in the recycle bin probably. So you can see that the file is there in the recycle bin. Now what if I emptied the recycle bin, that is deleted the file permanently? Now I want the file back. What can I do? So to recover that file, we are going to be using a third-party software called Recuva, and the link for that software will be in the description, so you can also make use of that software. So we are going to just download that software. So you can see that this is the web page of the software. Click on download free version. And now if you want, you can pay for the application software and also you will get extra options. I'm just gonna stick with free download now. So click download. And as you can see guys, the file size is very low, so it's just 7.3 MB, so it's not going to make much size difference. We'll open the file and also close our web browser. The installation is going to be quick because the file is also very small. So guys, the file installation is successful. Now the application is just going to open the web browser for showing us the release notes. Let's just close that and let's open Recuva. Click next and it's showing which type of file you want to recover. I just deleted a JPG file, so I'm just going to stick with pictures. But if you have want to recover any other files, you can select whatever you need. And it's now asking me where I deleted the file from. Now I deleted the file from recycle bin, but if you don't know where you deleted the file from, you can give the I'm not sure option. But as I know that I deleted it from the recycle bin, I'm just gonna stick with the recycle bin and click next. So after the scanning has been completed, the files will show up in this window that has just appeared. The scan is very fast. I did not expect it to be this fast. Okay, you can see that there are many files that just showed up. So now you can select the file that you know, and actually the file that you know is going to be renamed because the file's the file name that we enter for the file is not going to be its original name. Its original name is going to be its embedded name. For example, now you can see that I found my file, but the name of my file is biology page 2, but the file that was on the desktop was named as important. So the file name of my file is biology page 2. That's the embedded name, so that's the name that it's going to show. So just check the box near the file name. If you want, you can recover multiple files at the same time too. It's up to you. And also make sure to notice the colors near your file's name. you can see green, red and yellow. Green means that the file can be successfully recovered completely. Red means that the file cannot be recovered successfully, and yellow is also there, and yellow means that it might not be able to read at some places, but it can be recovered somewhat. So that's what yellow means. So make sure to note that the file that I have is green, so click recover and choose the location, and you can see that the file has arrived. You can see that the file is openable, and I've recovered successfully my deleted file. So thank you for watching, guys. This is how you can easily recover your files. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I will meet you on another video. Bye.